If the results from your radon test show that the radon levels in your home are high, there are a number of simple ways that you can reduce these levels. Radon gas comes from the rocks and soil under your home and is drawn into your home through small cracks in floors and through gaps around pipes and cables. There are two main ways you can reduce radon levels in your home, either by diluting the radon-rich air that is inside or by reducing the flow of radon from the ground into your home. One of the simplest ways to dilute moderate levels of radon is to increase the indoor ventilation by unblocking air vents, installing additional wall vents, or window trickle vents. This can reduce radon levels in your home by up to 50%. It is important that increased ventilation is installed at ground level only, as additional ventilation on upper floors may increase the flow of radon from the ground into your home. If your home has a suspended floor, you can also reduce the amount of radon entering the building by increasing the subfloor ventilation. Clearing or replacing existing subfloor vents or installing additional vents or air bricks will increase the flow of air below the floor, and so reduce the amount of radon entering your home. The most effective and most commonly used way of reducing the flow of radon into your home is by installing an active radon sump. A radon sump is a cavity about the size of a bucket immediately under the floor slab that is linked by pipework to the outside. The radon-rich air coming from the ground is drawn out from under the floor slab by a small electric fan in the pipeline and vented to outside before it is drawn into your home. This can reduce radon levels in your home by up to 90%. An active radon sump can usually be installed in one day, and all the work is carried out from outside your home. Because every home is different, whichever method you use in your home, it is very important to retest to ensure the radon levels have been reduced sufficiently. Contact us in the EPA for your free follow-up test. You will find more information on all ways to reduce radon on our website, or you can contact us for a free copy of our booklet.